Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Monopoly Go can't find friends. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So in this case, let's just go ahead and open up Monopoly Go. And here we want to go to our friends, which is located at the bottom right of our screen. So in here, for you to ensure that you'll be able to see your friends, is you first have to ensure that you've connected your account to your social media account. So in this case, this is going to be Facebook. So one more thing that you should ensure here is that when you actually sent a friend request to a specific friend, you have to ensure that they have actually accepted your request so that you'll be able to see them in your friends list. So if they haven't accepted your friends request, then they will not appear on your friends list. Now in here, so for example, you've already done that and you've already asked your friend that they actually accepted your request, then there's might be some bug into the application itself. So how do we actually fix that? So in this case, we want to go ahead and go to our Google Play Store and check if there are any updates. So in this case, if there are any updates on Monopoly Go, make sure that you actually install that, and hopefully that would actually fix your problem. Now if that doesn't solve your problem, the next thing that you could do here is you might want to clear the cache for Monopoly Go. So from here, just press and hold on Monopoly Go, and you want to go app to app info, and here just click on clear data, and here you want to click on clear cache, and from here just click on OK to confirm that you want to clear cache. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.